Today we're going to be looking at this KBOOM Tripod Stand from Flipkart. So this is an Indian unit, so I'll just go right ahead and take the packaging out and see what it's got to offer. Okay, we have covers, some covers right here. Take it out. So this is a tripod that cost me about piece 515. Packing is quite tight. We'll put that to the side. As you can see, tripod 3110, sorry. 3-way head, built-in level, 4-second aluminum legs, 4-section, that would say quick lever lock, and some specifications, but weight, more specifically and more importantly the weight, 420 grams, near about half a kg or something, made in China. Okay, there we have our product itself, beautifully wrapped in this black plastic, not plastic, black clothing. Okay, so just gonna pull it out. Okay, there's nothing inside this raw plastic. Sorry, I'm always saying plastic. This paper bag, and we have here the product itself. This is the tripod. You can see here. Okay, I'll zoom in on that too. Nothing included in the box besides this tripod, so you can just. Do I just take this out? Yeah. Works very much like this. Very cool. And there's a. I'll just put the test to the side for a while. There's a lever right here. Yeah, there's a green. That's a level for. I don't think. Yes, you can see a bubble right there. That bubble is for maintaining. I would say balance, but I don't know what's that called in scientific terms. This is an adjuster for you to just that this comes off. Okay, this is the base part. We have 3 legs here, plastic, all plastic. Okay, there's a knob for fixing and removing. There's also a secondary knob for mounting, installing your smartphone or compatible DSLR camera, maybe. What's in here? Intriguing. So do I just pull it up? Yeah. I think I would have to do so, no matter. Yep. Comes here. We should install this. Okay. You should hold the lower clip and then you just let it fix. You just install this thing for your smartphone to reside on, and this is the handle where you would adjust the later part of the stand. Don't worry, I'll do a full demo once I've got use of this product. Just 2 or 3, give me a couple of hours. After that I'll show you in my full review. Yeah, that will be. Don't worry, that will be included in this video itself, and it's stretchable. Yep. So sorry I don't have the resources to stretch it all the way and show it to you guys on this studio right here. What I can do here. Ouch! It's fairly tight. Yes, it's again expandable. Okay, there's these. These are plastics actually. There are no rubbers, so I guess they won't be quite as rigid as you may expect. These are all aluminum, so they are very liable to squeezed or even get kinks maybe. So this can be shortened or length. You can stretch it out, but you can fix that to a desired position by screwing this you can see here, I'm screwing this and it's fairly tight right now. I can make it even tighter. Yeah, it's not stretchable. Okay. So for the moment, I'm just gonna shorten them all out. So here's the final length, about, I would say 2 meters or maybe. Okay, very rigid when it comes to the expandable legs. It's giving me a hard time here. Oops. Almost lost consciousness. Quite a struggle right there. What happens with this tripod is that this aluminum doesn't feel all that premium at all, especially for this price point. It's just entry-level tripod with a low material, cheap material. The middle are plastic, the outside aluminum are cheap kind of feel, you know, that sort of cheap feeling. So it's kind of an entry level, I would say. In terms of grade, out of 10, I would give this thing 6 out of 10. This product, it definitely feels light. You get all the looks of a professional item, although you don't. And one downside would be this phone clip you have right here. The phone clip, what happens is when you're using a flat phone like I do, like a 5.9 inch or near roughly about 6-inch phone, you'll be getting quite some hard work to do, because you have to force the spring to spread out for your big phone to fit in. It only fits small phones very neatly. Other than that, the plastics on here are they get the work done, you know what I'm saying, but they won't last that much long from a product's perspective. So yeah, for anyone who's interested in buying this product, do check it out from anywhere you like. KBOOM, yeah, it's great products at this price point. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for the evening.